Well, while we're waiting on parts, let's take a look at what could possibly be the next build. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you would have seen I did a little doodle of this truck. Now, from what I've looked at so far, there's like 3 dents on this entire truck. Right there's one. I sure hope you can find a different way to do them, because I do not like that. This will have to be filled, because we're going to possibly Hemi swap this. These mirrors, oh my god, these mirrors are gone. And that right there is the number one reason. That says Ford on it. Now this is supposedly a 71, but the window says Texas Department of Public Safety 1968. So I don't know what's up with that. Here's another dent. That makes 2 that I've seen so far. We have the grill and everything in the garage. It's gonna need a bumper, or we're gonna have to make something for it. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm not seeing any other dents. Don't like that. Again, Ford, gone. This has the actual toolbox bed on it, and it's going to be staying on it. Oh, there ain't nothing in there. Yeah, look at that. Cool. These are scratches, but they're not in. Squeezy. We'll have to do something about that little dent. That's the only other one I see. Everything else on it's mint. Now this, I believe, has a 318 in it. Ugh. Looks like a 318 to me. Could be a 360, but either way, you can see it's wicked clean in here. Even the roof's clean, man. Plenty of room for the Hemi. We're talking 5.7 Hemi, not old school carbureted Hemi. We don't carry too much for carburetors around here. Step's gonna need fixed. It's a little rotty rot. Floor over there is gonna need a little fixing. It's a little rotty rot. We will be trying to use the Hemi dash, seats and everything. Sounds like the big boss man's on his way back, if that's him. In the other Hemi truck, doors are in pretty good shape. Make us some of our own door panels to put on here. Definitely want to put some speakers on this thing. Seems like it's going to have plenty of room. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Looks like the rockers are a little shot down here. That's no biggie. Everything on this truck's flat. I mean, flat. But it's clean. Now, me and the other guy have like 2 different tastes. In my opinion, this truck is cool, of course. He likes it more than me. But if this truck was repainted a different color, it'd be cooler. We don't want to paint this though, because it's sort of got that nice patina. We can probably knock this out pretty easy. But in my opinion, what would be cool, alright, if we leave it this patina and everything on it, but that top, I would paint that top with some heavy white flake and leave it old school like that. Now the good thing is, since we're going to be swapping this, is I can actually make the bed and cab level here. That right there kills me. I don't know about the back. I don't know what condition the tailgate's in. But yeah. It's gonna be a Hemi swap. Keeping the toolbox. A lot of that trim's missing. I don't know what we're gonna do there. I say pull it all. Pull it all off. Who needs trim? Leave the Dodge on the front, the markers and everything. Get some new headlights. Most of the trim's on this side, but that stuff's gonna be expensive and hard to find. Now you see right here, this would probably be good if we, wait, why does that have, that's got a, this might be a different bed. This might actually be the bed for this. Why is this here then? There's no filler neck back there. This might be a different bed, but it looks the same, so either way. Actually, look at that bed gap over there. But yeah, I'm just procrastinating right now. But this could be the next build with an 06 Hemi under it. And this will be our build. It won't be for somebody. And I think the goal is build it and maybe flip it or keep it. We don't know yet. But yeah, it's nice.